My name's Bill Hedrick. I'm Chief of Staff and First Assistant City Prosecutor for Columbus City Attorney Richard C. Pfeiffer Jr. There are currently thousands of outstanding warrants in Franklin County. This program, which is being sponsored by the Columbus City Attorney's Office, is our attempt to address this issue. There are a variety of ways for someone to receive a warrant for his or her arrest. Police have issued a warrant and the subject avoids apprehension. The subject's been given a court date and fails to appear in court. The subject appeared for an initial court hearing, but then stopped coming to court. The subject's been found guilty, but has failed to pay fines and court costs, or failed to report to jail. Finally, a person who received probation as part of his or her sentence faces a revocation warrant if the terms and conditions of the probation are violated. The warrants highlighted in this program are misdemeanors, because those are the crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The Columbus City Attorney's Office does not handle felony cases. If you're an individual facing an outstanding warrant, how can this affect your life? 1. You always have to be looking over your shoulder, fearful of arrest, anytime or anywhere. 2. A warrant block is placed on your driver's license. You will not be able to renew your driver's license nor obtain a vehicle registration. 3. An outstanding warrant will show up on a background check if you're applying for a job or government benefits. More information and a listing of outstanding warrants can be found at the City Attorney's website at thecolumbuscityattorney.org. This program and the lists are updated on a monthly basis. If you have any information on these individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, First Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards for this program. Over the last several years, the Columbus City Attorney's Office has lent our support to national efforts aimed at curbing drunk driving. And with St. Patrick's Day festivities right around the corner, we're once again helping to highlight the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration's Drive Sober or Get Pulled Over campaign. National Safety Administration statistics show that OVI arrests and drunk driving related crashes increase during holidays, and OVI-related crashes claim a life every 51 minutes in the United States. During holidays, that rate becomes closer to one life claimed every 45 minutes, an increase of almost 12%. So enjoy the celebrations, but please do so in a responsible manner by planning ahead, having a designated driver, or arranging an alternative way home. Now let's focus on 4 repeat OVI offenders who have 10 arrest warrants and 34 combined criminal charges against them. The first individual we're focusing on today is Charles Joseph Calvert. Mr. Calvert has 2 prior OVI convictions from 2013 in Vandalia and Clark counties. He's currently wanted in Franklin County on 3 outstanding arrest warrants, stemming from 2 more OVI arrests that occurred 3 months apart in 2015. In the latter case, he had a high test of 288. The second defendant we're focusing on today is Eric Leon Colon. Mr. Colon has 2 prior OVI convictions and is currently wanted on 2 active warrants for his arrest, including a probation revocation warrant. His charges include 2 counts of OVI, OVI with a high breath test, driving without an operator's license, driving without insurance, and driving on a curb or sidewalk. Javon Jones. Mr. Jones currently has 4 warrants for his arrest and is charged with a dozen criminal counts. He was previously jailed in 2006 for an OVI conviction, and his past criminal charges include felony drug possession and possession of controlled substances. Autumn Anderson. Ms. Anderson was previously charged with OVI in 2014 and currently has an open warrant for OVI, refusal to test with a prior OVI conviction, failure to reinstate a license, failure to drive within lanes, and hit-skip for leaving the scene of an accident. If you're one of the individuals listed in this program, you're encouraged to turn yourself in or seek legal counsel to address your warrant. The Columbus Bar Association's Lawyer Referral Service can be reached at 614-221-0754, and the Franklin County Public Defender's Office can be reached at 614-525-3194. If you have any information on these individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, First Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards for this program.